Okay, now I'm getting ready to cut in everything up there. See how this could be handy for you for that. I just got this, and there's a magnet on there, see? You just put that on there because it's hitting the metal of the throwaway paintbrush. And I don't have that much paint in there. I only got, my word, only got that much. Okay, and I don't need much. If I need more than that, I'll get some more. But the last thing you want is to fill this all the way up and that kind of stuff. Your wrist is going to get sore if you spill it. You're going to be in a world of hurt and all that. For all those reasons, and I don't want that paint up any higher than my paintbrush anyways. So when I put there, and then when I dip it, even if I dip it all the way down to the bottom, I'm not going to get the paint way up high on the paintbrush any higher than I already have. You know what I mean? For all those reasons, this thing works out good. Handy paint cup. Most hardware stores have something similar. Okay? And if I didn't have this, I'd make something work. Okay, like I was showing you before. Anything. The last thing I want to do is go up and down the ladder any more times than I have to if I only had the paint tray. You know what I mean? Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.